Kevin's on the phone right now.
Cheese.
Say, Tessa, come over.
Tessa, come over.
Say, Tessa, come see me.
Hi. Hi, Tessa. Mommy, come over.
Oh yeah, we just Skype the TV, that's right.
Oh, we should Skype you guys.
What's that?
We should Skype each other.
We could do a little Skype. Yeah. What are you guys doing?
We're just finishing dinner.
It's Mommy. Mommy.
What are you guys doing?
Kristen went out with Denise.
Oh.
Ladybug. Ladybug.
Smoked salmon pasta.
My pasta. That's my pasta.
Smoked salmon pasta.
Salmon pasta.
What'd you guys eat for dinner?
We had tuna melt.
Ah.
Weak, dude, weak.
Yep.
Was that Star-Kissed or what?
Yep. Tuna on a English muffin with melted cheese on top.
Are you serious?
So she had.
Hi, Kiss. Hi. Hi, Tessa.
Oh.
Where are you going? You're not going to talk to her anymore? You all done?
Tessa. What?
You're not going to talk to her anymore?
Alright, dude. I gotta go.
Tessa. Tessa.
Hey, Chris.
Yo.
You should get your beer.